What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with Chris and Dad, which he went somewhere. But we are up here in Pittsburgh, New Hampshire, and we're going to be doing some partridge hunting. So we're going to go out. It's early in the morning. It's currently 7:06. So we're going to head out to a spot that we like to try. There's Dad right there. Finally came back with his coffee. So yeah, we're going to head out there and see if we can get us a few. We went out last night and flushed a couple, shot at one, but nothing to show for it. So we're going to go back out and see if we can get them this morning. So stay tuned. Alrighty, folks, Dad just shot this woodcock. I ain't never seen one before, but look at how long his beak is. But hey, there we go, woodcock. Dad did buy a partridge and a woodcock license this year, so he is legal to keep. So here we go. First time I've ever seen one of them things. Pretty cool. Alrighty, here's Chris. Just shot this beautiful partridge. Look at that fan on him. Beauty, first one of the weekend, right?
First one.
There we go. Now it's time for him to go get a second one. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. It's a pretty short one, but I haven't posted in a while, so I thought I'd put together this little video that we filmed this fall. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Go on our website. All the link to that will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to check out the brand new Fishing with Energy podcast on Spotify. Catch you next time.